Something Omobola? Okay. Thank you very much. On a day like this, after reading out all the qualifications and achievements of Omobola Johnson, one would expect that the person that will conduct the cutting of the cake or give a toast to somebody equally as accomplished because of her status. But indeed, I am singularly accomplished for this task because the qualities I have, very, very few people can boast about them. First of all, I am her brother. If there's anybody here who has that privilege, the Secondly, I've known the Johnson brothers for almost 50 years, long before Omobola did. It's a good thing that Omobola and Sheyi met in London and started their courtship before I knew, because I wouldn't have given a good report knowing Sheyi when we were growing up. But as you can all see, he has changed. And then of course, finally, the hall belongs to my sister. So Yoande has also given me authority to do this. Before we go forward, I'd like to pay special tribute and thanks to our officiating minister, if she's around, the Reverend Akwa Ofori-Boateng from Accra. Today you have given Psalm 23 new and deeper meaning. The way you conducted the service was exemplary, and more important than that, you have turned the cassock into a fashion statement. It's very refreshing to see a female reverend, and I hope that in a few years' time, where you're being consecrated as a bishop, you shall still be wearing your heels and you'll have your short, funky hair. Thank you very much, Reverend. All I'm called to do is conduct the cutting of the cake, but you know what they say, the microphone has a spirit, and once you hold it, it possesses you. But I assure you, it won't possess me for long, and indeed it's a good spirit. I was telling you one day that I did not know Omobola until she was about 13 years old. And you and I alluded to this. I try and think of any event in the family, in our lives, when Omobola came out or did anything from 0 to 13. I just draw a blank on that part of our childhood. And I now realize that while Yoande, Ariola and I dissipated our energy on silly things like fighting, getting into trouble, arguing, get fashionable, Omobola was just operating by stealth, waiting for that moment where she would explode. And explode she has. So a word of wisdom for those here who are young enough. I don't know if you have any sibling within your family who is quiet, reserved, of no real consequence apart from the fact that you share the same blood when you're growing up. Watch her closely and follow her footsteps. Unfortunately, I did not. We're going to do this very quickly. And we're going to ask the family to come to the podium for the cutting of the cake. I'm going to first call on the children. Nimola, or the most, in fact, this is a good sparring partner for Mrs. Johnson intellectually. Demola is an enigma. Anytime we're all arguing on the group chat, after a while, everybody just gives it for Demola. Because when you're arguing, we will bring some references from here, there, and everywhere. So Demola, I can tell you, I've met your match in this family, your wife, Morenike, your mother-in-law, and of course, myself. Morenike, I didn't call you here too. I called Demola. And I know why. I don't want to, my association, you're with him now, but I have to single you out. I want to call out Morenike. Enough, for those who know, Morenike Johnson, our beautiful, electable Morenike Johnson. incorrect. Somebody did that earlier and I did it again. You see, there are certain things that many habits are hard to break. But if you come back to Nigeria, establish your presence and we see you regularly, then we might move from Johnson to Adwalisa. Reka, come up on stage, please. And thank you for that wonderful, heartfelt speech that you gave to your mother. You're very much like your mother. So we're waiting for you to explode. By the way, women exploding is not something that's strange in our family. A lot of people don't know that Omobola Johnson's mother was the first female inspector of taxes for the entire Western region. That is like being the head of FIRS for 6 states. And she's here, still looking beautiful at 86. So Morenke, your grandmother has done it. Even your grandmother on the other side, your mother has done it. We're waiting for you. Next we're going to call on the footballer must fall down. If you know, you know. Olufemi Johnson, look at him coming up here, cool and collected now. Many decades ago, we were on holiday in Spain with my father. If I had told me that Olufemi would get to this height, I would have said it was impossible. He was so tiny. And in Portugal, playing football on the lawn of the villa, he fell, a very bad fall. And everybody was worried, and my father rushed to go and pick him up and said, Grandpa, the footballer must fall down. And since that time, it's Olufemi, the footballer must fall down. And then we have Omobola Johnson. The last, but absolutely, certainly not the least. We call him Modi, or Bayoji. Thank you guys. Let me step aside, so whatever you can come on this side. And they're all looking so wonderful. So we're going to call on the bride, the celebrant and her husband. But when we do so, we're going to set aside all the stories of integrity, poise, honor, and all those things that make for a great person, but they don't make for a good person. So I'm going to ask Omobola and Sir Sheyi Johnson to start. And you're going to dance here to the tune of Wasiu Ayinde Band. Band, are you ready? Go. Something's really lining up. Volume. And if you want to dance with them, you can. I think the sisters will form a guard of honor from the back. Photographers. Video man, stand down. Anybody, his sisters, chief bridesmaid, and her other bridesmaids, please. And there's one Lagos girl behind them there that knows how to do it. Can we clap from them as they come? Thank you. Thank you very much. With due respect to the gospel of Jesus Christ, I'm sure you all agree that was more fun than Jesus. There's a time and a place for everything. And he said her words. He said, Anuni Moringa. And this is what today is all about. So we're going to cut the cake. And I'm going to ask one more time for the cameramen, take their photographs and step back. Or step down. You have one. Step back or step down. Nobody came here to see your back. Thank you very much. Thank you. We appreciate it. So we're going to cut the cake. And we're going to spell Bali. We're going to spell Bali. I knew that I've been recruiting people every day. If I knew that, I've been done some better recruiting. But I mean, I've never been recruited myself. So Dr. has given us something to talk about: brains, ambition, leadership, and integrity. The things that characterize my lovely sister, and whom hopefully she has passed on to Shay. So we're going to put the knife in the cake. Cake, do we put it on the top or the bottom? Mrs. Zacchaeus, you will know better. Second one, second one. Second one, thank you. And Shay, your hand on Omobola's hand. And everybody hands in. Hands in. You may not be able to talk, but just hands in. Photographers, take your shot. This is always a good one. These are the ones you should be looking for. Hands in. Okay, thank you. So we're not going to count to 60 because that could take some time. We're going to count to Valley. And we're going to start with B. No. When I say B, you say brains. You know, so we give it to her as it is. B. A. L. I. You may cut your cake. Band, the birthday song, please. Happy birthday. Before we actually sing, can we stand up, please? Because we're going to sing happy birthday to Omobola.
Hey, put that down.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Can we sing, please? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Everybody, come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord stretch your hands out. Bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you. Everybody listen, sing. For she's the jolly good fellow. For she's a jolly good fellow. For she's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us. Come on. And so say all of us. Hooray. And so say all of us. Hooray. For she's a jolly good fellow. For she's a jolly good fellow. For she's a jolly good fellow. And so say all. Thank you very much. Hooray. Before we go to sing, because we won't have this opportunity, Omobola's siblings and their husbands, quickly the photograph, Otuba, Tell Zacchaeus. Olori Ariola Koladasi, Princess Ibu, and of course the great Mrs. Yadi Zacchaeus. Very quickly, we'll join them for a photograph. And then right after this, Omar Sojo, now known as Momo Spain. We're going to take one with the children. We're going to take one with the children, and the children shall leave. Thank you very much. And then we have the Johnson siblings. No, please, children, don't go. Please don't go. Deji, Larry, witnesses to the grudge that I have against Sheikh today. We'll talk about that later. I know Tyra is here somewhere. Okay, Josephine. My dear with no sister. Okay, all right, you're there. Tyra, I think. You know what I'm saying? Did you? Start there. Okay, as they take this photograph, let me let you into my real challenge with Shane Johnson. You don't? Okay, but let the Sir and Mrs. Johnson take a photograph alone. When we were growing up, we played combat. I always tell this story because it pains me to this day. And the idea is that you hide and you have your guns and you shoot and you have to be good at camouflage. And anytime you came around the corner and shot at somebody, they were out of the game. And the person was the most men standing one. Sheyi always refused to die. He was the eldest. You get Sheyi, full black machine gun, Uzi. You didn't get me, you didn't get me. You know, so he was always chancing us. So, cameraman, have you finished? Okay, thank you. Now, Dr. Amzije, you are going to dance back the way you danced here. Sorry? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't want to prolong it. We have the Agaga Williams family to please join, and the Johnsons, to please join the bride and the bridegroom. We might as well. Agaga Williams, Johnson. Yes. I think okay. Maybe you go to that table. We thank God for our parents. We thank God for their health, their peace and their joy. The Olawi family will get ready. And the Akinolas, I think Auntie MC is here. The Roberts. You know, we don't like to do joint program because we can be very intimidating. The Olawi is on their own, an army. The Roberts are a battalion. In fact, the Akinolas are the smallest, but when we all three get together, it's really something. So I'm going to ask the Olawi family to please get ready to come up to the stage. Oh, no, so they can do it. And the Roberts, I don't know if Auntie Kofo is still here. Because it's Roberts, Uncle Kayode.
What's one?
And the Akinolas at TMC, Uncle Dele. No. No photographs for under 60. Uncle Mayoko, our Olori was 80 years old just a week ago. Congratulations, sir. We're going to do the Olawis first. And for those that don't know, where sisters is there? Okay, no second generation. By the way, when we take photographs, because of the size of the family, we have first generation, second generation, and third generation. And if you marry the Auntie Joga in second generation, you can know. Okay, please let them, please. Let's do this quickly. Let's do the sisters on the other side. Okay. Let's do this quickly.
I don't bring my bag. check this laptop, maybe you get it.
Thank you very much. Now the Roberts family, the Akinolas.
Yeah. Naimo.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much. So, Sir and Lady Johnson, is the band ready? We're going to be dancing back to the table with the song of affirmation, and that song shall be Iyawomi. And Sheyi, you put your feet where your mouth is. You have said it. But let's see you manifest. So, band, we want Iyawomi as they're going back to. With the number we said. Cameramen, do not let us have to ask you to leave this place. Sorry, can you stop? I'm sorry. Please, 1 second. Omobola, you are taking photograph on your own because you may never get them. Yeah, just one on your own, first of all. Sheyi, can you go back there, because Mrs. Akel says the one you took before wasn't balanced. And you know she knows what she's saying. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, Van, can we have this please? And just to tell everybody that the party has just started. There's no worries, go. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you for coming.
Like an angel in the morning, shooting star across the night. The most beautiful girl I've seen.
Cameramen and photographers, 3 of you cannot be in a row when they are going. People want to see.
Yeah, I'm so amazed at all the things you do. Yes, I wanna be my whole world around you. So I promise you forever. Everybody lose control. Every time I hear this show, everybody lose control. Free your mind and free your soul. Let the music take control. Free your mind and free your soul. Let the music take control. It's a party, party. Oh, you shake it, body. See, and must have been cosito. And must have been cosito. It's your band. Everybody, oh, you're my baby. My name is Simon. What is my name? What is my name? Everybody, my name is Simon. What is my name? What is my name? What is my name? What is Omobola, oh yeah, who's your guy? Now only be one life. See, I feel it like peace and right. I will never leave your side. I will never leave her. I dedicate my time to you, my life. Even if the world is wrong, I know why. 'Cause it be my dream for life. Who's your guy? Who's your guy? What's up? Not only me.
of the boys online, boys online. Happy day, happy day, happy face, baby, and tomorrow morning you'll be my side. One time, I don't mind it. Check out Badura, and you want to go like your brother. Come out to Bosanawa, I go pray for you, and I go fight for you. My desire for you is more than I can explain. Hello, yeah, show me $1 million, $1 million. Tell your mommy I go pay. I'm going to $1 million, $1 million. I'm busy, I want to flex my love. I want to press. I want to carry my love away to a place you want. On my woman. I want to press. I want to carry my love away to a place you want. So
This is the